Okay, forces, weight, something that's going to come up guaranteed on your exam. Okay, so what it says here is I got an apple of mass 0.3 kilograms, hangs from a string off a tree, calculates weight. However, everyone thinks I know how to calculate weight because I remember my equation. My equation is was up my g. Again, you get given all the equations in your exam, but it's just good to memorize some of them. Just make it much faster. So was up my g. To calculate the weight, we need to know its mass. Masses are always measured in kilograms in physics because we have really large objects. So 0.3. Beside each other, we multiply. And G even tells us here what to use. So 9.8. Big hint in your exam, if they ever write the words, use G. There's only one of the two equations you can use. It's either weight is mass times gravity, or gravitational potential energy is mgh. So the two equations that you'll use G with. So all we're doing now is 0.3 multiplied by 9.8. And we get a number of 2.94. And then this is the unit part, right? Masses are measured in kilograms. Weight is a downward force on you due to gravity. It's a force pulling you towards the center of the earth. It's a force, so it's measured in newtons. Okay? It's a common thing people miss out. Okay, second part of the question, add forces to the apple, right? Here's my apple. I just calculated its weight. So I know there's a downward force of gravity acting on my apple, and I'm going to label it as weight, right? Weight is the downward force of gravity, a force pulling the apple down towards the center of the earth. But the apple isn't moving down, right? It looks like the apple is moving down right now, but it's not. It's staying there. So there must be some upward force on my apple, right? That's the whole reason it's not moving down. And that upward force is that tension in my string. And that tension in my string is going to be the exact same size as that weight pulling the apple down because the apple isn't moving up or down. So the forces must be the exact same size. So make sure you show them the exact same size and you label them.